gonna roast up later for the new year. Doing all type parrot and snapper and wench, man. As you can see, we have fish all around us, you know. I'll show the fish some nice lobster and things.
Fresh water.
Yep, yeah, me Jana. Nice lobster. And then look at it,
One more. I rest around the bench.
Nice.
Wait, you want to eat the fish?
Blessed everybody, welcome once again to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Here with your boy Smokepot, and it's beautiful New Year's Eve in Jamaica. I'm just doing a little celebrating, and I'm just showing you guys what's going on for the New Year's. So as you saw earlier, we went to Olab and we went and looked at some fish, and we're gonna be doing some grilling today. So I nicely wrap some with some callaloo and things. I didn't show you guys because I don't want the video to be long. So you know, here I have some, and the type of fish I have is some grunt, some parrot, and some called wenchman. Here I have a few that I might be frying, and maybe escovitch. This one is called a butterfish, you can see. And that one is called a parrot. And this one is a snapper. Most of you guys know snapper. Let me see if I'm saying wenchman there now. Because wenchman is not really a good frying fish. So I wrap all the wenchman here, so I'm gonna be roasting them. I'm gonna be doing also some beautiful sexy thing right here. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna lightly season them, and then I'm gonna be making a butter sauce with garlic. So here I have onions, some sweet peppers, and a lot of garlic. And I'm gonna make a nice little butter sauce. So after I powder season, then I'm gonna base it with that garlic flavor. So you're gonna see me on the grill in a few after these things have been marinated and everything. So stay tuned, subscribe, share, like, and see you in a few. Okay guys, so as I told you, I'm gonna be doing some roasting. So now I'm gonna be putting them on the grill. As you can see, I have it on a relatively low flame. I'm just put them in nicely. Nothing special. Right, in about 5 minutes, we're gonna come and flip these over. And then get the next 3-4 minutes, and then basically we're done with that side. As I showed you guys earlier, I also have some beautiful, nice sexy lobster that I'm doing. I'm making the butter garlic sauce for that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be cleaning up the lobster. So, this is how we do. All right, as you can see, we have these lobsters right here. Right. Here we go. Their lobster. Alright. And then after that, we're gonna be seasoning it up as much as we can. So you go from right here, and you make that insertion right here. Ready? That's it. You cut all the way down. Okay. And then we're gonna open him out and clean out right here. And then we're gonna wash him and garlic him. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a light seasoning to it. And after the light seasoning, then I'm gonna flip it and I'm gonna put the garlic sauce to it, all right? So that's what we're gonna be doing next. So I'll catch you as soon as I clean out all of this muck right here, and get back to you after that, all right? Yes guys, so now I'm finished cleaning up all my lobster that I have right here. You know, finished cleaning up everything. So I'm gonna show you my little seasoning method. Here I have a mix of some adobe, a little Sazon seasoning, and I also have some cayenne pepper in it. Not too much, and that's the mix that I have right here. And we're gonna lightly just sprinkle on the lobster. As I said before, I'm making a very nice garlic sauce that I'm gonna be blending in a minute. I already sauteed a few seasonings, a lot of garlic, onion, some sweet pepper, and then add some pumpkin, and I'm gonna blend it up, and then I'm gonna use that as a base for my lobster. But we just sprinkle lightly. We sprinkle lightly on our lobster, and then we're gonna be putting them inside of the grill. And after which, when I turn them over, I'm gonna be using my butter and garlic sauce to baste them. So once again, we're here trying to bring in the new year in a nice, beautiful way with love, with everything that's going on. Here sharing some quality time with some of my family members, and in a few we're gonna be diving into some nice jerk chicken that we did on the chicken on the grill, and then we're gonna go into our fish, and we're just gonna be sharing with you. Hope you guys having a nice peaceful night also. So see you in a few when I'm gonna put in the lobster on the grill. All right. Yes, guys, I'm gonna be removing all my fish right now. I don't want them to be overly done. So I'm just gonna remove all of them. They feel quite soft and juicy. And then I'm gonna put on my lobster. And then you see dining and all of that. I'll try to show you how beautiful they're looking in a few. All right, now I'm gonna be putting on my lobster. All right, and what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna put them face down first, so when I flip them over, I can baste them with my garlic. Right, so I'm gonna put them face down first. As you can see, nice, fleshy, juicy. And face down. These are gonna be so succulent and nice when they're through. This one like so. So you know, seafood cooks very quick. So we're gonna leave them just like that, right, for a few minutes, and then we flip them. When we flip them, as I said before, I'm gonna be adding our garlic sauce, all right? And then we're gonna be having a nice, beautiful, delicious New Year's Eve. Stay tuned. Hey guys, look at these beauties. Look at these beauties. So now, I'm gonna flip these beauties over. And look at them. Nice. That's beautiful. All right. They're almost finished, but I want to baste them with my butter garlic. You understand? So let me just flip them like that. Guys, I'm smelling them right now. Alright, so only thing left, the base one. This one. Acting up a little. Alright, so now I have my garlic butter sauce that I made, and I added a little pumpkin and I blended it together. So now I'm just gonna be adding a little of these goodies in this part. So it's keeping it moist and it also providing that flavor with the garlic. Yeah guys, it's been a beautiful day and I just finished my grilling. I started taking everything off. So as you can see, all my grilled fish is right there. I made some grilled chicken as I told you before. My nephew is there consuming some before we actually say go, because you know I usually try to do my tasting and all of that, but they couldn't wait on me this time, so they are way ahead. But I started setting up this plate, you know it's very important for me to get a nice beautiful thing going. So here I have a fried butterfish and I have a wenchman, this was grilled, and I have a jerk wing with a little white rice. And I'm also, for the new year, we're gonna step it up a little bit. We're gonna step it up a little bit and I'm gonna be having this beautiful, beautiful bad boys right here. Alright, we're gonna have one of these beautiful bad boys. Let me find a nice one. Okay, this one looks nice. We're gonna have this nice, beautiful lobster. So I'm gonna allow us to get a nice little snap of that one. Look at still picture. I think the light might be on it. The shadow might be on it. So catch that again for me. And here I have with me Akira. Very, very Mr. Ambassador himself, Kira Dan, and he's gonna do us the honors of tasting today. So he's gonna tell us exactly what's going on. So here you go, sir. So guys, as you can see, Akira right now is about to do some tasting. As you can clearly see how beautiful this plate is looking. But I ain't got much to say because I'm very hungry myself, and I'm gonna be doing a little tasting myself. But I'm just gonna be tasting one of the roast fish, that's all. I see a snapper right there. I didn't want no snapper though. I didn't want no snapper, I wanted a winchman. But anyhow, I'm gonna eat my snapper just to say. I'll go ahead and taste that one. But he's the man who is doing this thing along with everybody else here. This is the whole family, as you can see. New Year's Eve coming out and we just having a dandy time. You know, wishing everybody all the best for the new year and everything. And we just, you know, just our family coming together and doing a little thing. You know, my nephew, brother, nephew, his wife, daughter. Everybody's inside. Mommy's still inside. She ate already. But, you know, he's taking his time with the food like he's shy. But, you know, we'll get him. In the meantime, let me tell you what this grilled snapper is like. I taste the butter that I put on it. Flavor nice. I put some callaloo inside. Put some callaloo inside. I add a little spice to the callaloo. It's not too spicy either. It's just okay for me. I don't know about Mr. Kira Dan, where my taste so far and what is coming on. I guess we can ask him and take a taste of a few things. So how the butterfish, what's the butterfish like?
Well, the butterfish is properly fried. The flavor, it's very flavorful.
And what do you think about the lobster?
The lobster.
It's done with a garlic sauce.
Alright, unlike other lobsters I've tried, it's not too gummy. It seems as if it was properly done.
Do you taste the garlic flavor?
The garlic is there, not too much.
Okay.
It's very wonderful.
What else you have in your plate? You have some jerk chicken, I think, you know?
No,
grilled, but it's grilled though.
The grilled, I don't think I want to try that. I'm more a seafood fan, you know?
Alright, so we're gonna leave that out. But so far everything is good.
So
what about
the rice?
No. What about the wenchman? Because that's the perfect grilled fish. And the color inside, you can taste it and let me know if the color will balance up.
Yes, the color is very nice. And very seasoned, alright? It was steamed properly before entering the fish. I'm not a fan of wenchman fish, but it's properly cooked.
Alright, very good. Shamar, who went ahead and started eating, couldn't wait on the food. It must be something good going on, so, you know, you can get a shout out, Shamar. That basically, that's what we're here for. Just, you know, entertain and have a good time as a family.
Well, this is just a follow-up of what I'm used to. Excellent stuff. Ravishing both in the aesthetic kind of looks and how it tastes. Wonderfully prepared.
Next video, you're gonna see my nephew Johnny doing some tasting, so from now you can just take a good look. I'm gonna tear up some food for us the next time around. Big up brother Honey every time. Nephew Suki and his wife. Chilling, we having a good time. Apple, as you can see, that's my daughter right there. My nephew Josh, you know. Big up. Mom is inside relaxing. Big up in the new year for mom. Big up for the Verona. Big up yourself. Everything that you do participate in being my video man. Big up Rashida, brother, the editor. Guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like. Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Happy New Year to you all. One love, peace out.